Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve radical equation. Okay, radical equation. All right. To solve radical equation, there are some very important things you have to know. So, the first step to solve radical equation, you need to isolate the radical sign. Okay, isolate. Second, you have to raise each sign of the equation to the power. When we say to the power, let's say here it's power 2. So we're gonna raise each sign to the power 2. If that is, for example, 3 right there, we should raise your sign to the power 3 because we have 3 right here. Okay, so that's simple. All you have to know, if your equation are already isolated, there's no reason you will isolate them. Okay, for example, this equation is already isolated. You can just continue the process to solve it because it's already isolated. Alright? So don't give yourself more work to do if they already did it for you. Okay? So let's solve the first example. Okay? The first example, you have square root. Right there. You have 2x plus 5 equal 3. So when you look at this equation, you see it's already isolated. All I have to do is raise each side to the power in order to get rid of the radical sign. Okay? Alright, we're gonna do that. So let's raise the power. Let's raise each side. Okay? So it's gonna be square root of 3, 2x plus 5. So we have power 3 right here and power 3. So because we raise each side, okay, to the power 3, we can just take out, okay, 2x plus 5. So just take this out, 2x plus 5. Because the reason why we raise them to the power 3 is because we need to get rid of the radical sign. Okay? So we get rid of it right now. So 3 power 3 is 27. So now it's become very easy now to solve this equation because it's become a linear equation, a simple linear equation. Okay, so just subtract 5 from both sides. So cancel 2x. That's gonna be 22. I need x. So divide both sides by 2. So x equal 11. Okay, x equal 11. All right. That's not difficult. All you have to do is check what is the radical you have. Okay, if you have a square or a cube, you have to raise to the cube. If you have a 3 right there. If you have a 2, you will raise each side to the 2. Okay? Alright. Let's do the second one. Let's do the second exercise. Okay? The second one is here right there. X minus 9 equal negative 1. That happened, you see the square root right there. The radical is for only x, not negative 9. Okay? Therefore, you need to do a very small work right there. Okay? Before we do anything, we're gonna do the small work. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna add 9 to both sides. Let's add 9, okay? Add 9 both sides. So when I add 9, I do not add 9 to the radical x. I add 9 to negative 9 and to negative 1. So that cancel there. So I get left 3 and radical x. Okay, that's gonna be 8. Alright, that's 8. So now, as I told you, we are going to raise, we're gonna raise each side, okay, to the power 3. Okay, because we have 3 right there. We have 3. Okay, so it's gonna be square root of 3 x. That's 8. 3. Okay, so this one, why I raise them to the power 3? Because I need to get rid of the radical sign. To get rid of this radical sign, I can just take x, okay? Just take x. X equal, so we have 8 power 3. That's going to be 512. Okay, 512 is your answer. Okay. Yes, I tell you before, all you have to consider if there is a 2 right here or a 3. So isolate, it's already isolated for you. Then you solve, continue the process. Okay. That's the second exercise. Let's do this third one. Before we do that, let's erase because we need to clear. And then the third exercise. The third exercise, we're gonna have okay, it's radical x plus 25 equal 4. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. It's already isolated. What we're gonna do is just raise the power. So it's going to be x plus 25 okay. So why we raise them, why we raise the power is because we need to get rid of the radical sign. So we can get rid of it now. It's going to be x plus 25 equals 16. Okay, 4 power 2 is 16. So let's subtract 25. Sorry. This one is going out. So you have 25. That's negative 9. Okay? So the answer is negative 9. Alright, that's not bad. Alright. So let's do the last one. The last exercise. The last exercise is you have a 2 right there. 3 x 3 equal 4. Okay. It's already isolated. All you have to do, we have a 2 right there. Do not panic. Okay. The 2 is not gonna give us problems. So let's raise them. Okay, it's 2 3. So that's gonna be 3. That's 3 right there. That's gonna be 3. Okay. So now, okay, this is very important. 2 is gonna raise to 3 also. So now you're gonna have a 8 right there. 2 power 3 is 8. That's gonna be, you will have x is 3 equal, you have 4 power 3. That's gonna be 64. Okay, 64. So now you need to distribute 8. 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 3, negative 3 is negative 24 equals 64. So to get x, you need to add 24 because it's become a linear equation now. Add 24 to both sides. So that's cancel. 8x, that's 64 plus 24, that's 88. So I need x. To get x, you need to divide both sides by 8. So cancel. X equal 11. Okay? 11. Alright, that's not bad. All you have to remember, isolate the radical. So look at which power you have. Is it 2 or 3? So raise each side by the power you have. Okay? So continue the process because you know already how to solve a linear equation. As I told you, linear equation is the prerequisite of all mathematics. So if you knew how to solve linear equation, so solving radical equation become easier for you. Okay? Alright. That's not bad. I believe it's not too difficult if you follow the steps. Alright? And if you have any question regarding how to solve radical equation, feel free to visit my website, or you can just type Nogues Math. Okay? When you finish watching the videos, please share them. Okay? Share them to your friend because it's free. That's how you learn mathematics, is watching video and share them, talk about mathematics. That's how you learn. Okay? You learn mathematics, you learn a subject. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay? God bless you.